Hello, good afternoon. It's Jane Hardy from Fabulous Networking, formerly Fabulous Women and Marvellous Men, of course. I hope you're getting a great start to the beginning of the week. I certainly am. I've been here, there and everywhere already, and it's only, what time is it? 3:45 on a Monday. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you our Fabulous Networking mission, vision, and our values. Our mission is to make business network not only fun, but effective too. And so if you're a really reluctant networker, then you must come along to one of our meetings soon, because you will be given such a warm welcome. Secondly, our vision. It's going to be a global business community where business people grow through a supportive, connective networking and effective business training. So those are our mission and vision, and our values. Relationships always first. When people know you, like and trust you, they're willing to spend money with you and refer their contacts to you. So relationships first. Then collaboration, not competition. We actively look for ways to collaborate with similar businesses to help and support you to grow. And supportive connections. Our members help each other, both in business and in life. And the best thing of all is we succeed together. We share our knowledge, our skills and contacts to promote and celebrate our successes. So to really experience the fabulous networking way, why not come along to one of our over 30 meetings, and soon to be a lot more? Just go on to the web, type in fabulous-women.co.uk. Don't forget the men are welcome too, and go to meetings, or there's a meetings calendar on that page, and just see where we are. And one thing I can guarantee is a very warm welcome, and I wish you all the success. And so I'm going to say goodbye for now. Bye-bye. I'll see you next week. Take care. Oh, and any questions, just put them in the box below, or PM me or DM me. I'm not that techie, but look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.